Every single day, millions of people type search queries into Google and Bing, looking for products, services, and solutions to their problems. But with countless ads competing for attention, how do you make sure your ad stands out? The answer lies in the art and science of ad copywriting. The words you choose, the emotions you trigger, and the way you structure your message can make the difference between a user scrolling past your ad and a user clicking on it. This is where ad extensions also come into play, helping you add extra information that makes your ad more compelling and increasing the likelihood of conversions. Today, we're going to dive deep into the world of ad copywriting and ad extensions, exploring how you can craft high-converting ad headlines and descriptions, apply proven persuasion techniques like AIDA, attention, interest, desire, action, and leverage powerful ad extensions to maximize your ad performance. By the end of this, you'll have the tools and knowledge to create ads that not only get clicked, but actually convert. If you really want to take your SEM career journey to another level, enroll now in Transform Academy Limited Advanced Marketing courses via our website, www.whattransformacademy.com, and continue your journey to a high-paying SEM career. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Transform Academy's YouTube channel for more expert digital marketing content. The power of a well-written ad, why words matter more than you think. Most people assume that online advertising success comes down to bigger budgets or better targeting. But in reality, the words you choose in your ad are the single most important factor in driving clicks and conversions. The digital ad space is crowded. Users are bombarded with multiple ads for the same product or service. What makes them click on one ad over another? It is not just about price, it is about persuasion. Studies show that ads with strong emotional triggers such as curiosity, urgency, or excitement perform significantly better than those that just list features or discounts. For example, let's say you were advertising an online fitness program. Which ad do you think would perform better? Ad 1, affordable online workouts. Sign up today. Ad 2, transform your body in 30 days, no equipment needed. The second ad works better because it speaks directly to the user's desire. They want fast results, and they might not have gym equipment at home. It triggers an emotional response, making them more likely to click. This is why copywriting is not just about writing it is about understanding what motivates your audience. A compelling ad is not about selling a product, it is about solving a problem. People do not buy products, they buy solutions to their problems. This is why problem solving is the key to writing ads that get results. Think about a person searching for best running shoes for bad knees. They do not just want shoes, they want to run pain-free. If your ad simply says, buy our premium running shoes, it does not connect with their need. But if your ad says, run pain-free with the most comfortable shoes designed for knee support, it speaks directly to their problem. Suddenly, the ad is no longer just an ad, it is a personalized solution. This approach works across all industries. The business offering tax services should not just say, we offer tax filing assistance. Instead, their ads should address the real concern, save hours and avoid IRS penalties, let experts handle your taxes. The difference between a good ad and a great ad is how deeply it understands what the customer truly wants. The most successful ads use this approach. They start with a problem, provide an emotional connection, and offer a clear, easy solution. When people see an ad that speaks to them, they do not hesitate, they click. Users do not care about how great your company is. They care about how your product or service can make their lives easier, better, or more fulfilling. When crafting ad copy, always ask yourself, what problem does my product solve? What is the biggest pain point my audience faces? How can I position my ad to be a perfect solution? Answering these questions will help you write ads that are more engaging, relevant, and powerful. How to craft the perfect ad using AIDA. One of the most effective copywriting formulas in advertising is AIDA: attention, interest, desire, and action. This method is widely used in marketing because it guides users from being passive viewers to taking real action. Let's break it down with an example. 1. Attention, grabbing the user's focus immediately. The first step in AIDA is getting attention. In an online world where users scroll past hundreds of ads daily, your headline needs to stand out instantly. Use powerful, emotionally driven words to make users stop and read your ad. Ask a thought-provoking question that sparks curiosity. Use urgency or exclusivity, like limited offer or only 3 spots left. Example, struggling with slow website traffic. Get 2x more visitors. 2. Interest, holding the user's attention. Once you capture their attention, you need to keep them interested. This is done by highlighting how your product or service can solve their problem. Speak directly to their pain points and show how your offer is the solution. Use specific numbers and statistics to build credibility. Example, our proven SEO strategies help businesses grow without expensive ads. 3. Desire, making them want your offer. Now that they are interested, you need to increase their desire. This is where you highlight the biggest benefits of your offer. Use social proof, such as testimonials and case studies. Showcase unique selling points that make your offer stand out. Example, join 5,000 plus businesses who have already doubled their sales. 4. Action, telling them what to do next. Finally, your ad must tell them exactly what to do next. Even the most well-written ad will fail if it does not include a strong call to action. The CTA is what pushes the viewer from interest to action. Without it, they may simply scroll past, even if they are interested in the offer. The best CTAs are clear, urgent, and actionable. Instead of just saying learn more, make it compelling. Claim your free trial today. Instead of sign up, say start your free 7-day membership now. Adding a sense of urgency and exclusivity also increases conversions. A CTA like limited spots available, register now, creates a fear of missing out, FOMO, making people more likely to act immediately. Another powerful strategy is using numbers to make the CTA feel concrete. Compare join now with join over 10,000 happy customers today. The second one adds credibility and builds trust. A high-converting CTA is not just a suggestion, it is a direct command that gives the user a clear reason to click now rather than later. This is your call to action. Use clear, action-driven language. Create a sense of urgency by adding a deadline. Example, sign up today and get a free consultation. Unlocking the full potential of ad extensions. Now that we have covered how to write a high-performing ad, it is time to talk about ad extensions, the extra elements that can significantly improve ad visibility and engagement. Ad extensions allow advertisers to add additional information to their ads, making them more detailed, interactive, and clickable. Some of the most powerful extensions include site link extensions. These allow you to link to specific pages on your website, such as pricing, testimonials, or contact us. Callout extensions, short phrases that highlight key selling points such as 24/7 support or free shipping. Structured snippets, these provide additional details such as product categories or service offerings. Call extensions, these add a phone number directly in the ad, allowing users to call with just one tap. Location extensions, these show your business's address, helping drive foot traffic for local businesses. Google's research shows that ads with extensions have a 10–15% higher click-through rate than ads without them. Why? Because they give users more reasons to click. Instead of just showing a simple ad, extensions allow you to display more relevant information, helping potential customers make faster and more confident decisions. Ad extensions are a game changer for increasing ad performance. Without them, you're missing out on valuable real estate that could give your ad a competitive edge. When people see an ad with multiple clickable options like additional product links, phone numbers, or location details, it makes the ad look more credible and trustworthy. For example, an online store using site link extensions can showcase multiple product categories directly within the ad. This means if someone searches for affordable furniture, they can see links for living room sets, bedroom furniture, and office desks all in one ad. This reduces extra steps for the customer and increases the likelihood of a conversion. Similarly, call extensions allow people to directly contact the business with one tap, eliminating the hassle of searching for contact details. Location extensions are particularly effective for brick-and-mortar stores, helping local businesses drive foot traffic by showing the nearest store address. Ads with extensions do not just stand out, they perform better because they provide more options, more credibility, and more reasons to click. At the end of the day, what separates a great ad from an average one is how well it connects with the audience. Writing a compelling ad is not about stuffing keywords, it's about crafting a message that resonates. When combined with the right ad extensions, your ad becomes more visible, more informative, and more persuasive. Success in digital advertising does not come from one perfect ad, it comes from continuous testing and optimization. Even professional marketers who have been running ads for years constantly experiment to improve performance. The best advertisers do not guess, they analyze data and adjust accordingly. If an ad is not performing well, they tweak the headline, CTA, or extensions to see what works better. Sometimes a single word change can double click-through rates. That is why a /B testing where two versions of an ad are compared is essential. One version might say get 50% off today, while another says claim your exclusive 50% discount. Over time, the data will reveal which phrase leads to higher conversions. The same applies to images, descriptions, and even ad placements. Testing and refining are not just optional, they are critical to staying ahead in the advertising game. The best part? Even small improvements add up. A slight increase in click-through rates or conversion rates can translate to thousands of dollars in extra revenue over time. That is why mastering ad copywriting and extensions is not just about writing, it is about using strategy, psychology, and continuous improvement to dominate the competition. If you really want to take your SEM career journey to another level, AIDA, attention, interest, desire, action, and leverage powerful ad extensions to maximize your ad performance. By the end of this, you will have the tools and knowledge to create ads that not only get clicked, but actually convert. If you really want to take your SEM career journey to another level, enroll now in Transform Academy Limited Advanced Marketing courses via our website, www.whattransformacademy.com, and continue your journey to a high-paying SEM career. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Transform Academy's YouTube channel for more expert digital marketing content.